Welcome back to Motor Madness, the channel where we bring classic machines back to life and dive deep into the legends of the road. Today, we're stepping back in time to explore a true American classic, the 1965 Chevrolet Malibu. This beauty was part of the first generation of Malibus, and it quickly earned a reputation for its perfect balance of performance, comfort, and style. So buckle up as we take a deep dive into the exterior, interior, performance, and pricing of this iconic ride. From the outside, the 1965 Chevrolet Malibu commands attention with its clean, confident lines and distinctive mid-60s styling. Chevy gave it a mild facelift for '65, refining the look from the previous year. The front fascia is broad and assertive, featuring a horizontal dual headlamp design flanking a wide chrome grille that gives it a bold, road-hugging presence. The long, straight body lines run uninterrupted from the front to the rear, giving it a sense of length and class. Chrome accents along the bumpers, window trim, and rocker panels enhance its upscale appeal. The Malibu was available in several body styles, including a two-door coupe, four-door sedan, convertible, and station wagon. Each variant carried its own charm, but the two-door hardtop coupe remains the favorite among collectors and muscle car enthusiasts. The rear end features rectangular taillights and a subtle rear bumper that integrates seamlessly with the bodywork. The Malibu nameplate sits proudly on the rear fenders, a badge of honor from an era when style and substance went hand in hand. Moving inside, the 1965 Malibu's interior is a trip back to a time when cars had character and simplicity ruled the dashboard. Depending on the trim, interiors ranged from basic to upscale, with options for cloth or vinyl bench and bucket seats. The dashboard layout is straightforward and driver-focused, with round dials and chrome-ringed gauges offering a no-nonsense look at speed, fuel level, and engine vitals. A horizontal speedometer dominates the instrument cluster, framed by a dual-spoke steering wheel with a Chevy emblem in the center. The Malibu's cabin is surprisingly spacious for a mid-size car, with ample legroom and headroom both front and rear. Sound insulation was decent for the era, providing a relatively quiet ride. Optional extras included air conditioning, AM/FM radios, power steering, and even power windows, a real treat in the mid-60s. What really sets the Malibu apart is how it straddled the line between the everyday family car and an upscale cruiser. It was practical without being plain, and stylish without being showy. Now let's talk performance, the real soul of any classic American car. The 1965 Chevrolet Malibu offered a range of engines to suit just about every kind of driver. At the base level, you had a 194 cubic inch inline-six producing around 120 horsepower, a decent option for those looking for simple, reliable transportation. But for those craving more power, Chevrolet delivered in spades. The 283 cubic inch V8 was available with up to 220 horsepower, and if that wasn't enough, you could go for the 327 volts 8, which pumped out anywhere from 250 to 350 horsepower depending on the configuration. Transmission options included a 3-speed manual, a 4-speed manual, and a 2-speed Powerglide automatic. Enthusiasts gravitated toward the 4-speed manual, which made the Malibu not just a cruiser, but a legitimate street machine. The suspension was soft but stable, giving the Malibu a comfortable ride without too much body roll. Drum brakes came standard, but power-assisted units improved stopping power significantly. The real showstopper was the Malibu SS, or Super Sport, which added sporty design elements, upgraded suspension, and performance-oriented V8 options. The SS badge meant business and signaled to everyone that this wasn't just a family car, it was a muscle machine in disguise. As for the price, back in 1965, the Chevrolet Malibu started at around $2,300, which was a solid value for what you got. Fast forward to today, and the price for a classic '65 Malibu varies widely depending on condition, originality, and options. A well-kept base model might go for around $20,000 to $30,000, while a pristine, fully restored Malibu SS with a big block V8 can fetch anywhere from $50,000 to over $70,000 at auctions or classic car dealers. What makes the 1965 Malibu so appealing today isn't just its style or performance, it's the experience. This car captures the golden era of American automotive design, when muscle, elegance, and practicality could live in harmony under one roof. It's a car that turns heads at every corner, makes its presence known with the rumble of a V8, and still offers a surprisingly comfortable ride nearly 60 years later. So whether you're a die-hard classic car fan or someone just getting into the vintage scene, the 1965 Chevrolet Malibu is one of those rare gems that truly stands the test of time. It's more than just a car, it's a symbol of an era, a rolling piece of art, and a blast to drive. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1965 Malibu, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Motor Madness, and let us know in the comments which classic car you want us to cover next. Until next time, keep the engines roaring and the memories rolling.